Hi. Hi. Stella Bella. Rosie Posy. Are pansies toxic to cats? Probably better not to eat that just in case, Ro. Don't eat the columbines. Be careful if your cats are in your garden. Some plants are toxic, while others just cause mild gastrointestinal pain, I guess. Pansies are not toxic, but they can cause gastrointestinal issues mildly if ingested. So just watch out for your little kitty. Columbine, on the other hand, also does cause gastrointestinal issues. The entire plant does. So don't let your kitty eat this one. It's important to keep up on pinching your pansies if you want them to be full. Keep your pansies watered and make sure to pinch off. Shh, I'm trying to record. That bird is so crazy loud. It's beautiful, I love it. I'm kidding. Stay. Keep singing. So pinch off spent pansies. Keep it watered and make sure that they get enough sunlight. They need 6 hours at least every day. The reason you need to pinch off the spent pansies is because it thinks that it has successfully reproduced, and so it'll stop flowering. So you're kind of lying to it in a sense. You're manipulating it for sure to continue to flower for you. This is just a blossom that's been eaten by bugs or maybe the cats, and you can leave it. It's perfectly fine, or you can just pinch it off and you just follow the stem and go all the way to where it meets the rest of the plant and pinch as low as you can without damaging the rest of the plant. And now you can't even tell it was ever there. Stems like this aren't going to produce any seed pods, so you could leave them, but it's just going to turn brown, so you might as well just pinch it off. And there, right there is a new little bud. Right there's a flower bud. Just make sure that you're actually pinching off spent flowers rather than new buds. This right here is a bud that's going to be unfurling, and so is this. And so is this one. But this one is one that's already spent, so you want to pinch that off. And the sooner you do it, the better, within reason. There's a seed pod right there that's beginning to form. Here's a spent flower that will soon be creating a seed pod. Hi. This one's kind of on its way out, so might as well pinch it away. Pull away any leaves as well. Oh, look at those cute little new buds. The unfurling ones do look a little bit similar to the ones that have faded, but you can tell they look like weak compared to the new ones. There's a new one. Here's a spent one. Really is a nice way to spend your morning. And I do suggest watering before you pinch, because the stems get like more taut, and so it's easier to pinch them off. How cute. think that's all of them. Gosh, they're so cute. They make me so happy. Let's say you're leaving town. Well, you could pinch off all of these pansies, and by the time you come back, you'll have new flowers, but you won't have any or many seed pods to deal with. That will stop your plant from producing flowers, as many flowers. The sunlight shining through them is just epic. I know I'm calling them pansies. These are violas. They're in the same family, so you just treat them the same way. It's like tie-dye, kind of. And I love how the stems glow in the sunlight, too. Oh. These right here are pansies, and you just do the same exact thing. This one is a spent flower, and you're just going to pinch all the way down. The stems are a little bit thicker, but the process is basically identical. This is a spent one. They're like butterflies. Actually, this one reminds me of a sweet pea, which is my favorite flower. Seed pod. Those are the old petals right there. This reminds me of what hibiscus does. Its petals fall and they stick to everything. Oh, this stem is a tough one. You can pull, but look how it's so tough. Wow. Well, lost it. Oh, here. That one had dried out, and I think I broke this one. There's a new one. Anything you don't pinch off on the stem will just turn brown or yellow. So if you pinch right here, this is just going to turn yellow. Just like on the violas. The color. And you can pull off yellowing leaves too. Same concept, pinch as low as you can. Look how cute that little seed pod is. This right here is what's going to make your plant flower less and less. Yep, and just look around, move your plant around. See if you find anything. Oh, there we go. They look like little flower bonnets, or like bonnets. And these are their little faces. There we go. Oh, I see one right there. The colors of pansies are amazing. You kind of can just feel it, you don't have to look. Just follow the stem. And if you feel anything other than the stem, then start again. Oh, looks like a bud broke off, but you can try to put this in a little flower, in a little vase, and it might open for you. Here's a dry one. Sometimes it's sad to pinch them off because they're so beautiful. And then toss this on your salad. JK. But you can eat pansies. You've probably seen like little cookies made out of them or whatever. Cakes decorated with them. Or as a topper on salads. But of course pick fresh ones if you're going to do that. Even the leftovers are cute. Oh. If they're in a pot, you want to water them pretty much every day unless it rains.